Today we're building a beautiful rainbow salad grazing board. Reds fight inflammation, oranges protect your eyes, yellows boost immunity, green builds strong bones, and purple and blue sharpen your brain. It all starts with a beautiful base of lettuce, and then we arrange all the fruits and veggies in rainbow order. We have radishes, tomatoes, peppers, berries, corn, chickpeas, peppers. The cucumbers add a delicious crispness. And you can see we're adding snow peas. There's avocados with healthy fats. It was really easy to build this because we chopped everything in advance. It didn't take that long. You can use a knife, a grater, a food processor, a mandolin, or whatever tools you have on hand. Finally, we're going to add crispy red onions and shredded purple cabbage. Eating from the rainbow is very simple. Look at all of those colors. By using a lot of colors, you're sure to get all the nutrients and fibers that you need. Now we're going to build. Everyone can choose their favorite fruits and vegetables from the colors and add their favorite dressing. There you go. Eat from the rainbow.